So I finally checked out the Charbroil 3-in-1 Dual Fuel Bistro Pro, and honestly, this thing makes a lot of sense for apartment living. First off, assembly took me about an hour. It's not impossible, but there are a lot of little screws. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a couple nut drivers. The trick is laying the box flat and building everything on top so you don't scratch the parts. Once the stand and grill body are together, the electric element and charcoal tray drop in pretty easily. Now for the important part. Is it actually good? Honestly, yeah, especially if you're building Band's propane grills. This thing runs on a standard wall outlet, but Charbroil's electric 2-coal system lets you switch to real charcoal in minutes. So during the week, you can grill burgers electrically, then throw in charcoal on weekends for legit smoky flavor. And surprisingly, it gets hot, around 650 degrees, so steaks actually get a real crust. The biggest downside? Cold weather performance drops a bit, and the assembly can feel annoying. But overall, if you've got a tiny balcony or patio, this is probably one of the smartest space-saving grill setups out there. For small space grilling, definitely worth it.